I finally got it! At long last! I finally got the newest 2022 game, Pokemon Legends Arceus! And yes, you've seen me play it before, during that HISUIAN Braviary episode, but this time I'm finally gonna draw up the best characters that the universe has to offer. That's right, folks. For this year, we're drawing all of them! Starting with HISUIAN TYPHLOSION. This guy is basically a fire and ghost type. He's got special flames sticking out of his back. And of course, what else have I got? Anyway, here we have this special neck brace. There we go. Here we have TYPHLOSION's arm. Now we draw the flames sticking out of his back. He's got like a lot of them, actually. As you can see, it's humongous. Here we have TYPHLOSION's lower half. Oh, man. There he is. That's how you draw the HISUIAN form of what we call TYPHLOSION. That's how you draw a HISUIAN TYPHLOSION. Awesome. Awesome drawing, you guys. Well done. Now we draw the flames here. Get ready, guys. There's more characters like this on the way. Please, I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stay tuned for more How to Draw Legends Arceus Pokemon. And get ready, because we're drawing all of them!